fully autonomous system sounds powerful, efficient, reliable. But one question matters more than all the others. Who controls it? Because if intelligence scales, control must scale too. When machines make decisions, someone must define the rules. What is allowed? What is forbidden? What is prioritized? Autonomy without boundaries is not innovation, it is risk. That is why human oversight matters, not to do the work, but to define intent. Humans must remain above the system as architects, supervisors, decision makers. This is called AI alignment, making sure AI goals match human goals. Sounds simple. It is not. A badly aligned system can optimize perfectly for the wrong outcome. Every powerful system needs one simple thing: a stop button.
Lock it down now! Do it!
Initiating total shutdown.
Emergency shutdown, override authority. Because trust is not built on optimism, it is built on control.
Initiating emergency shutdown now.
But then comes another question. Who writes the rules? Governments? Companies? OpenAI, Google DeepMind, Anthropic scientists? Society? Because whoever defines the framework defines the future. The challenge is not building autonomous systems. We can do that. The challenge is building wisdom faster than capability. That may be humanity's hardest engineering problem. In the next episode, we ask a human question. What happens to work when machines do everything? Subscribe. The future is also personal.